In today's hectic world, you deserve peace of mind when you're on the go with phones and tablets. That's why we created FuelRod, the first portable charger that lets you swap your depleted rod for a fresh one. You can recharge a fuel rod as needed or swap for a fresh charger at one of our kiosks. Our self-service kiosks are conveniently located at airports, theme parks, universities, and other popular locations. When you don't have time to wait for a charge, no worries. You can quickly swap your fuel rod and be on your way. The revolutionary fuel rod swaps in seconds. It has to be seen to be believed. With FuelRod, you can stay connected without interruption. Use the FuelRod app to find the nearest kiosk. Simply drop your used fuel rod into the kiosk and receive a fresh one in seconds. You'll be on your way, fully charged. Your fuel rod can be used with any micro USB, Type-C, or Apple-compatible devices. The ultra-convenient fuel rod system benefits anyone on the go while reducing environmental waste. We recycle depleted fuel rods to help the planet and to ensure that you always have a fresh fuel rod available when you need it. Ready to try FuelRod? Follow the link to purchase your FuelRod charger kit. Download our app and enjoy the freedom of swaps wherever you are.